hanging drop. To make a hanging drop, you will get your supplies on the lab bench above you, which will consist of a container of toothpicks, a small petri dish with Vaseline, and another one with cover slips. The slide that you will use for this is a little bit different than the gram staining slides. These feel differently on each side. This is the smooth side. This is the side that has a little tiny bump, which is how you make your hanging drop. You will leave this side facing up for now. So if you run your finger over it, you can feel that you're going to go into the divot. I will now get my cover slip prepared. You will take a cover slip, which is the clear plastic, which sometimes can be a little hard to grab. Clear plastic triangle on the counter. Then a toothpick, and you will get a small amount of Vaseline. We will apply this to all four corners of the slide. A small amount is all you need. So just a small amount. Touch your toothpick to the corners, applying the small amount of Vaseline. You don't want too much because then it'll spread and your slide will be no good. Then you will obtain your loop, sterilizing from handle to tip again. Air cool it down because you don't have an auger to touch it to. Then obtain your TSB broth. Pinky method again, remove your cap, bring it through to sterilize, take your cooled loop, place it inside, agitate up your organism to make sure you have enough on your loop. You are not going to recap yet. You're going to tap it onto your cover slip to make sure you have a small amount, which I do have enough. If not, you may have to go back in. I will then now flame, recap. I will re-sterilize. To now make your slide, you will take your slide with the bump side up so you can feel it. And I will now take this, I can feel the bump. I'm going to take it and turn it, and gently, you want to have your organism in the center of your circle. You're going to gently push it down. And when I say push it down, I mean gently just place it on top of it. So now you'll see my four corners are sealed, and in the center of my bump, I have organism. I will then flip my side back over so my cover slip is on the top, and then this is how you will place it on the microscope for viewing. Cover slip up. You want to make sure that you're very gentle when pushing that cover slip on with the slide, because if not, it will smush down and your organism will spread out and it will be no good and you will have to remake your slide.